Mwara watisima chakwero mtima gumwemerire eshitenje chandabao eshitenje malaika chandabao.
I just give me enough of you, baby. So give me that, cause I'm your soldier. You and yet a queen, nakunati kwenda ba cheaters, cause my boys nimba man. Hey yo, what up? This is Reina Rosie representing the Ghetto Fabulous Music.
The hot this year, make it extra, but it's chani which you know was the baddest. Boza Miki, Boza Yashi, Boza Litani, bang bang. Yes, it is over. The abuse of Gamano Manonga, extra material miniemo.
Ngambe Chindekechi, Rehab Buziki, Jurandi Cafe. Esho inechibunu bas, iyo mwana, owanyu mulisizente. Kastore yo mutaraban, atinyoweti inguza nkafundikata. Kastore z'abakazi banyu ngo atine mu sento gwatankwana se ezo nazo nembabazi ngo kibango bwenkinye na munyanyazi yoyo Manyeta Prince Emma Prince wa Royal the Ghetto Fabulous nashimira kubasa kwandi Ankore Media ne chairman Munonga kandi onakuredi zoba twansigninga contract hanana omugigomwe ayabasa kwana signinga group ya the Ghetto Fabulous kandi erima beshongozi bashatu Reina Rose X Raba Prince Emma wa Royal. Program is to be nidogo mwaka ni nyinchi Munonga tuine byeshongoro byinji Munonga including echeshongoro cy'amana Munonga kibakweta omiziro gwitu ntuza kuba tukirekura kibanza cyo kwa kabiri mwaka ogu kandi ninkumanyisa ngo necheshongoro cyaka Munonga kikusinga mu Uganda echeshongoro kine video ntuza kuba tugirekura ebero mushanzu kandi echeshongoro kikusinga na circumference so mwena inkunzi ya music ya Western Uganda tubashaba kutuhagira na no kunda music yitu na ku making sure bendera ya Western Uganda twajana kayiguru. I remain Prince Emma wa Royal. Yeah man. Thank you Mosh Mula. Mwana wokutureba Manyeta Prince Emma wa Royal. Country abeshongozi ba the Ghetto Fabulous Music rizoba nonna kurwamana Munonga mu group yitu okutura ntweshongora ana nabagenzi banje kandi lekintu cy'amana Munonga kugira ngo obwire butereze tukweshongora tufune abantu abo kubasa organizinga our talents kandi bakikiza kusigninga kugira ngo music ya Western Uganda ebase kuba negendo misho. Thank you.
All right, that is our word or two from Mandem himself. Tugenda kuintroducing omuyimbi wakabi superstar basinga mumanyi on social media wa kitalo nnyo ne ku ground kwali X Raba. Ladies and gentlemen, atuwe ekigambo kimu bibiri and of course we see what next.
Yes, amazina X Raba material out at the Ghetto Fabulous Music. Echamane rizoba no kureba ngo nizo twafuna umuntu wakosa kuturuko kona izinga nk'abana besugwa real estate sabashija abana bashaba mani baje ngureka batema amataka gabo bateke mwe sente so we are happy kan mwe namwe bari kwija.
All right, thank you. Let me introduce on this other side we have a brand new face musically. Her name is Reina Music. She's going to give us a word or two abantu mumanye mumuwagire and of course we get to know what's up with her musically 2025.
Nyebare Munonga, amazina and Reina Rosie. I'm very happy masima kandi chamani nyonjera kusima team yishanjira mu Ghetto Fabulous Music. Mwebare Munonga kumpa this opportunity na manager ikoza kushine today. Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
Kachindi Western Uganda's art. Songa lwaki tetuvayo. Binji tugenda kuba tubyogera kwa maso. Nayo mugaga katuwe ekigambo kimu ba bibiri and of course we proceed.
Thank you very much. Amazina Banyeta Dr. Roji Asainamani ndio umwe muri ba director bana besigwa Real Estate nashemererwa Munonga kubaha mukasheshe ningasho mu ihango ryerizoba mukubasa kuteka ningashi kutebekanisa entaranta z'abana bato bari no bijo music industry itenka abana besugwa nshemererwa Munonga twantureba abana bato bakubasa kurugayo bakwereka entaranta zabo mbekwatirina no ku na music kandi nindangirira ningashi itenka abana besugwa turaganisa ku facilitating ningashi kusigninga twasigninga kurugera izoba abeshongozi Prince Emma Waroyo, Exraba Material na Nina Rose. Rina Rose. Yes, we agree that we are going to support them financially and where necessary physically. We shall mobilize for them funds and of course put our own funds to make sure at least their dreams at least come true. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mugada waffe. Ladies and gentlemen, njagala tuweyo akakisa ba legends baffe, batuweyo akagambo kamu ba bubiri in regards to the music and in regards to the new venture. Boba Rosa.
Thank you so much. Njo rimi into mixing.
It's okay.
Yeah, nyoni banyeta Dr. Shai, ne banyeta legend, tumu bandi legend. Chunga keshongora bona nyine bintu kweta ba legends. Bari bamani hona himuri, we respect you and turiyo twa representing Basta Charity Bachazi n'abandi mwena bashitire abaryoke. So what I have to say is ninyabaza mnonga niza kutandikira umushija mukurugwe ayarga yakasharaho assigning the Ghetto Fabulous Music Musicians ekikatubere munakaruru yo all and much respect kujya kimwe on behalf of my other colleagues who speak for themselves. We are thankful itwenka abimwe ta legends bigambo byanyu twabasa kushitamaho twagira abana aba twabakorera ki cyonka itonto kimanya buri mwaka kugamba ha mutima ekituza kubakorera but one message in kwasa kwebya haho naho speed nimanyisa the Ghetto Fabulous Music Musicians. The small experience I have in this music utakatina kwandika byeshongoro ebikugambe kya mutima gwaho utakatina mureke kopa munonga mukopa munonga bitegerejero no utakatina kikurya mutima kukitomu cyeshongoro kopa munonga to kweshongoro kiri mutima kuko eshongoro kitari ha mutima to kwija kwatayo nikimarakire kace washongora kiri mutima nikiza ku impactinga abashongozi bingi kandi nyenda mu bico kureberaho abeshongoza abandi mu nsase kugambe kikunkuba nindeba abeshongozi nibabakoma ngo nibeshongore ibintu bitarumu nanye nincagira babakomere kimwe batinyoti kanshemizo kuri mushongozi Western Uganda niwe ishongora message ekuza kushisha community yitweji. It wouldn't be nice kato ishongora music ekuhereza impact a generation na nabana bari mu families na nabandi nabantu bari ya streets nabantu batine cyo kurya nabantu bari kubi na nembere aba journalist yibarumu tubakushashurwaje abakutera music yanyu tubakushashurwaje ba promoters tubakubahaje because tubakutungaje ihangari tu riteke sento mu music age tutungura abeshongozi bitwaba briefly nco nagambo mukire nkaka.
Thank you so much. Tuza following order mukuru twe yakagambo kamwe like that. Chap.
Okay, bingi nimanya bikunkwataho tinkwetaga kweshobora bingi bateki ngwenda gambaho is it a year back kandi yo mu equal the same press conference nijuka keria Robros B Bounce abeshongo zabo tubamara wiki mu kigombe cyo bagiremo so nabo bakakora umukoronkogo ecyo nishigize ku ndetera message kugira bata wori yo mweshongozi wafu no muntu akiza ku supportinga career yawe be ready nawo ku meetinga interests ze kimwe ndagambe cyo kubanza extra bogo ari nemyaka almost 10 mu industry Olia Rina Rose akatani cyo mukumayiminga by'abandi akora za
covers miming
Emma yabandi zo mu byo commenting umupira yazo mu kushoma yagaruka music so ayi mukire mugeze kimukubasa Mike so right now mwamajiro management what I usually tell people nyonkanye nerebo nakaveja ngo mu level but ekinarebera nabeshongozi abeshongozi wamara kuzo management be ready to succumb manyango waba iwogereze byawo byaremo wahika bunkani muraura kayine so yakorera cement the platform ekeriya cement fatwazo management ne kuteka ikintu ki kiri standard meeting a class yawo
no waza level ndishi
wakireba oyo no tambuza munongo muntu bwa puru hatiya tuna music wanchirema. So majiro management please mugondera amateka ga management ebyo kutekereza ngo nomanya kukiza management ebyo byahwiri izoba management yayo tukwendeki for it. I believe contract zanyu nimanye kimwikirizinemu because I believe na boss wanya abahire time kufuna ba lawyers zanyu mu reviewinga imwaza kusaninga contracts ni signinga when you are at good times when at the time of departure mwe mwine exit mwine tenakazo ku exitingiraho ibindi kwena muguma ati paso with all those nyine mbendeze burungi I'm here to support your endeavors because at least nkozere nabeshongozi bingi but ekikuru cyabyona na management imugiremo company none ku taking initiatives kuma industry ne yetagachi kurana bakasenta ibarakateke karugamo so nyoka MVP ndo kuba supportinga but be ready kugondera amateka ga management kandi ezesha kuyeriza muza kusandika kufuna ba advisor hato bimwe muri mwe mutine ba advisor hati mwakufuna ba advisor baraba diverting yuguma muramwa ekine cyakure ko management upushinga ekiroto cyabo.
Abenje no manyangu the legend ati ebintu ebyo sebo mukama wanje mwebare bito kutuletera ekintu ekyo konka nanye nishabo misho nanye muize munkora yonke ekintu ekyo kimwakorera batayi banje
cha the ghetto fabulous
echa ghetto the fabulous music ahandi nanye tuza kureba ekitamburo misho music bita handi mwebare.
Nyone banyeta Kisubinukal mtoto Katai Maksudi.
Ya mamirira.
No banyeta Kisubinukal mtoto Katai Maksudi. Awatakomanya Ruswahili no banyeta Musyo Mutabano waboji omwana tanga nkana kandi nanye ntuyire mu music industry kumarubwire eshintu zagamba n'eshintu ekinkumangu ekitwire kiremise abamwe munkotingeje abamwe kurugayo kutambuza music ekagendo misho haza hataho mpoho nondo kusimira nabesugwa kurugayo okagira utakande babana abamba bamateke muki itwe nyuma ho kare kuba beno buryo umwishongozi nkogwe n'uryo umuyayinka nabesugwa utakubasa kureba mwakanto nare burya horiye mbura mukoro nubwo cyo gukora mwene ko rero ebyo ningambe byenyuma abo kuba mwanye tanga legend so hata nareba ngo ninsima munonga nabesugwa ngwe bare munonga kureba ngo music tishintu kiriyaho ngo naba kubababuza rwo mukoro acho gukora konka ekinkusima no kureba ngo abasigaza baba the ghetto fabulous na nempangare yitwe jonjo washaramu wajota nyawe kamba kwateho ndebe ngu ekibaturana bagamba ekikubara muniki so hate challenge yasigara ba X Rubber Prince Emma na Rena Rose hate challenge dimwe tarogwe kwaso kandi amanya nimburwa pushi noreba hati tinyene kikunyamba bona tinyene za studio za video ziremere ibintu byona biriya humbweni eco nco kwaso jo company yengo yakora ki ejo yargo no jango bugaro bwa nabisuga tukumunja then ngarike nsime the get your fabulous music awinshongeni kore bangu abako bako nareba MV paha nkareba Prince nanka Remy nkareba Brian Kazenga Shy Dr na nabandi nareba ngo hindi kimukwenda kwaburwamo so no manyo muntu akuburwa chaburwa nabajangu natambura mpaka ki bwira so hati muntu mukiza kugira ngo numuyirwana ngabo kuba mwine MVP mwine Shy nkuko mwabareta bahampa mube habuzeho ubundi original kabaje. Thanks for respecting us mukatweto mukintu eki abanyamakuru mwena nimba konera mwimwe tinyine kinko bagamba abo kubimwe nimwe muhanda gwa the music tukweshongora twatarabizaho umuhanda ogo niho uruguto mbweni imwe nimwe ruguto abo kuba mutatireyo mukatuhanaka mukatugambaho mukatugira mukatwana twubase mu rugendo rwo kubatura mu kuryango twaza so ni mumwe no mumwe neza kamera numbase kwetero buga give thanks nasagarande kisu binukali mtotaka time maksudi one love
tukubanza kansime batayi bitu aba Fabulous Music mwe bari kutweta then nsime na batayi bitu izite na mwesigwa nabesegwa exactly mwe bari munonga kandi ni shaba in fact nabandi bantu batunge interest mu kintu ekyo because hati tibikiri nkakare nko mukuru musho yanagamba ebire bati music ni business mwe bari kurugayo kugira mu mushake batahi bitu ni mat list nabone baza kwikaho bakora ki baba kibayongeraho then ikindi kinangwa nani shababa artist bona ba burengeri izoba nti batahi bitu aba barugayo basaininga aba bana konka twantu shaba entaro zirimo tizine tizukuza kora ki Fabulous ya sainingwa kunuya watunge cyeshongoro cyekite aha obani social media yawe mwe kusanga mbuto atunga mutimu zitakwatagana seriously ndeba tikuza kora ki let's unite, let's be one to promoting abatayi bitu na bokunuya baba promoting ne nyumba promoting usange music industry yitu yakora ki yakora yaza ahidarerindi tinyene binji munonga binkwenda gamba konkano kusimana batayi bitu kugira mbamba batweta twabaho that is good I appreciate aba makuru mwe bari kwiza mwe bari munonga kan talents zikiriyo se mukama wanje na Ghetto Fabulous ninyo nanimba shaba mu recruiting abandi bana koza abana bariyo ni binji bine talents nabo mbaye chance bakore umuziki handi nasigandi Jeremy mwe bari
munonga banyita Brian Kazenga niza kubanza nasi ma Almighty Jah ruhanga kutise izuba nkeri nigaruka nsima nabesgwa real estate kubasa kubanda bakora icyamani necyo kurebera wari companies nyingi kandi bine sente bitongore by'amani bine sente reka kubasa agent art because an art talent neba yakwirwe ruhanga babasa kwano korecho nabesgwa big up on yourself niza kubana impereza kitinsa the legendary Musio big up on yourself and large up baba bize nkabije bakakikaha ndibana batu motivating kugira ngo western nito twakika level big up on yourself Master Rasta Shy Dr. Shy then of course na Black Chew exchange MVP n'abandi bona basically it's a very big it's a big time starukore cyo mu western nkanye Brian Kazenga the Ghetto Fabulous ndimuka manager the most important thing umwaka guri musya ntwenda kubagambera nti twareta tune ebari kuweta omuziro gwitu on Saturday neza kubela the first neza kubana ishohora ito ntukore ibintu by'amani audio iriho na video iriho reka supporting the music tijana mani mingi munonga nicyo kikuru then entaro tuziyemo kandi reka tuyendeze kutwara wakatagane nza kuba kiriye cyakabi music kugira ngo ito Ghetto Fabulous turakwatagane n'aba Rasta Musio turakwatagane n'abandaba reka twatagane to respect then kikure ndongwe koreki egambere abanyamahurire mwena nimbahereza salute ekikuru tuba promising cyakabi umuramwa n'umuziro gwito new tune new audio of course elabene shora al first of Feb neza kuba Saturday reka tugirinde respect.
All right, thank you so much.
Nonga ekeshongoro ekyo muziro gwitu nekeshongoro cyo runyankore and indeed kikugamba kintu cyo kuba tarukwenda ekyo kuba nozira se ekeshongoro kintuza kubantu kirekura kibanza cyo kwa kabiri umwaka ogu kandi niwo kuwagahuriro mu ngambo ngu tuine ekeshongoro kikusinga cha Bebe Cool Circumference namazima because itwe na numugiga witatusayiningire na team yona ya The Ghetto Fabulous video nito tujikwatira mu Uganda tujikwatira heri yihanga so nekeshongoro cha man munonga nko kuba bari no ba wana circumference tukujya ningamba kuba Bebe Cool but ito kyeshongoro kitwine nkisinga kyeye so internet bambajanga kyeshongoro nikibi abamubaja nikirungi but omuziro gwitu nekyeshongoro kya The Ghetto Fabulous Music but omweshongozi Prince Emma Royal nekyakabi video neyakabi nesinga circumference audio neyakabi nesinga circumference because tugyeshongwire omundi mzitu you understand so kyeshongoro nekyakabi munonga audience n'abantu mwena bali mutureba it's a sure deal ekyeshongoro tuzakuba tukirekura ebiro kibanza kyo kwa kabiri then video ebiro mushanzu byo kwa kabiri. Thank you.
And still another question on that.
Yes.
Who was the producer of the song and the video was done by who?
Okay. Video ajikwasire n'omusigazi bamweta Keith. Enoka Keith ni timu mpango mnonga so tukamukiriza twamwiyo mu Uganda twamuteko mu nsendijo etukwiza kwantu bagambera kandi twa shooting ejo video ya man mnonga mza kwa mugireba ne yakabi ekindi obulize ki audio ne ya Brian Beats no mumba producers ba Uganda kandi abamani. Yes. Mnonga nsonga za payment bateba tusangire batuyambere mu nsonga yo kushashura na mnonga nsonga za video kandi twakiriringa twatankiyo because nabo batusangire twino urugendo rwa music okutuwe pushing ekintu kitu nabo batwimsiyamu
webale mnonga kubuza kibuzo nkecho konka some things are more of administrative noreba ko kuboyi no mukazi wanu ushwera turya for example wedding tukabasa ukabuza nko mushije utawa you sure that you are going to remain with the wife so if it nkaba na besigari estate we are very ready to cooperate with the Ghetto Fabulous Music and honorable of course itwite ntuzakuta sente zikwetengwa kandi kurugire abanyankwe actually nibajya n'abaganda nibajya guteka sente wora baitu tubandize tware baituriyo ntuzakuta sente and we have good links twire to dealing n'aba bantu actually you can testify with me my mix rubber material china korire ngashe twakorire no kimanya when you are launching your music kandi ekitware biro muri yogu na Rina Rose na nomwamogu Prince Emma Waroyo nekintu cyamani kandi nibanywani bitu twakoze mu kago muhango gukujangu actually ebyo mu rubajano basa kwija konka nintekateka ngu itwite turi organized ninga shitwe nkatima kutwakwatagine tujya kupusinga ekintu kandi music yabo ati yasiskara nitizine gitu ne Rwanda siskara so twine kutamana munonga kuranga ekintu cyagendo misho mwebale munonga in a contract. Yes, we have signed the contract and it is enough.
Then about the song? Yes. Wano buzabo nche cheshongoro nitekateka ngiza kuba nikikora munonga. Ekina nagambere nyuma kace ngu omuziro gwitu tukeshongorire tukeshongwiro omurimo rwitu. Urimo runyankore orwins ankore. Yes, nana connecting na endime urunyoro rutona and whatever. So nendi mizitu za Western. So wano gambasa conference omuntu nka shwenkuru wanje ari sinjiro mu cyaro ninga ari Fort Poto takuza kucenga sa conference niki echo cyonkanji manyisangu tweshongora icyesho connectinga na n'umuntu wanse na n'umuntu wa buri muntu najya ntumuziro gwawe niki noje tumuziro gwanje ndiye kineki bato mutoka je tumuziro gwanje ni sa conference how you understand. So ekindi itwe music ya Western Uganda ombichweke bindi ebya regions za Uganda batura bokuturi batira you understand konkitu twizire kukora music nungi munonga kuteko challenge nungi munonga kwerekensi ngu o Western Uganda hariyo talents recently awenchi twareta nka for example ya circumference bebe kuru na ine list ye ya buri mwaka. So recently wana yabe shongozi ba Western Uganda tukozeleje twine music nungi munonga konka akarema ku organizing omweshongozi no you understand. So itwitwe nito kuteko cyane kwereka ngo music yitu eri ku rwo Western Uganda ni singa music eri ku rwo Central Uganda because music yitu eyo mwankore abakasesa bakonje nibajura abatoro nibajura abakaragwe Tanzania nibajura abanyoro nibajura na abanyarwanda bajura ekitari music y'abaganda you understand. So twine regions nyingi connecting nazo
so niyo nshonga bwenje cyesho chitu ne chakabi kandi kiza kusinga circumference na nibe shongoro binje mnonga actually the Ghetto Fabulous Music team yitu twena tukozire ogwo mwaka tukozire music nyingi munonga tuza kuba tutandika na nomuziro maybe nebyeshongoro ebyashoro mwaka ogu ebitukuteka ngono biza kuba nibisinga mu Uganda yona. Yes, not Western region yonka but mu Uganda yona be competing at a high level. Thank you.
For that I'm presenting media TV and media marketing agency.
Yes.
Nenda kuuza boss. Levero wiro winja bagigambizo mu ndongo before getting that deep experience. At the end of it all, Shanga Prince Emma X-Rubber Material behind the room has it. How experienced are you? What catch in the industry?
Thank you very much. The experience in music, yo nichurujira umuntu ko kuba no kunda music. Hari ibintu byinje bitwakubera facilitating. Tubasa ku facilitating nk'abana b'amashomero, tubasa ku facilitating abahinji, tubasa kuyamba efuzi konka atitwe nk'abantu twine passion ya music. Nicho chikundeta nkaha ukashanga najanti nanaguzitaka for example nkargo bomini 10 ibiri kanzi to mu Ghetto Fabulous wati music abo kujango ni nkunda ki
ndongo
ni nkunda ndongo nimbasa kwa ntari mweshongozi konka ndukunda ki I have that passion for the music.
Thank you.
That's why I'm here.
That's enough experience.
That is enough experience.
Nange nina yakabuza akasemba eri abayimbi bano bebasayininze ebanga erisewo tulabya abayimbi nga bakaba after being signed nebafunamu misunderstandings ogenda owulira nti YouTube umye
harimu omuntu byakwana expecting nko mweshongozi harimu na ebyakwata expect ati kintu cha YouTube itum contract kiri mu YouTube ne buri mweshongozi ine YouTube channel yeye so ebindi nebindi mshana wachibuza konka YouTube channel buri mweshongozi ine YouTube channel yeye
kandi naje handle
ninja yes okay icyo kintu cyo wabuza ne kibuzo kirungi kora bozi nezimwe abana besugwa hineze batwatire ho ya hati abakwati ka Raina Rose aine cyeshongoro cy'amanuka turagamba mweshongozi ukawa Kampala wa manu mununga nyoni nyenda kafunde kora beje kunka Prince Emma yagikozire na Raina Rose na wajine so kintu cyahwire mboyo ni cyaterire
yes
Raina Rose turi mucho akugambira and before man kujeri
hano live TikTok wavuza nibamwita nice Abia nawe no mwesho muzungu narugibanda yadangu why did you decide mbesho muzibona kuronda mu Raina Rose kumugita brand ya Nyade Ghetto Fabulous?
Raina Rose ni she's a working hard lady arabesho ngo kusanga ngwe takufayo so na hard working amunonga about music na fayo
and I talent
okongera ari cyo babuza tinkuza kwegamba ho marunju konka according to the little experience so far koko babagambira nkatankani nkola cover songs za western music ya western yoga so far na mara mu myaka eshatu so with that little experience na nabimfunire I embrace the opportunity maybe hine kibakozere ki hine kibandeveremo ya sono basakwe buzabwa kibaronda Raina Rose maybe hine kibandeveremo ekibataribire maybe omuyori ya maybe in luck and it is my blessing
na no kongera cha Raina Rose follow abiki omu Western Uganda bingiti bine management so nacho kitube cy'urungi ogo director kagira ati munondero yo mwicho kumangwa ine talent na mukino tumugite aha kintu cyito shange twine fans babakazi twine
gender balance
yes
sometimes tuchakwa tureba nti abakumanaginga abakazi n'abandi abasiza babo
ate koko musija ine family
matter this is not the case
n'uto akora wacheje mu Western region tubine yaza kumanaginga abamukazi
nade mari
no kumanya na byose
we bari nyonka director wa Nabesugari estate interest yanje mu supporting Ghetto Fabulous Music tukujangu nyine interest mu kufuna mu relationship no niyo mushaya hamya nyine umukazi nyine abana bana bamwe bagiye mu university so I'm build up ni mayichi ndio ni nkora kandi ebinde bikwijana bija ngo kuyense irete byayo it is not an interest
linda ko chidako mukolo anti ngabo manyi signing officially but of course kano katarekeka eri the media fraternity. I don't feel like we are doing enough for the Western Ugandan music. Atenga abasajja baveri ne mubavimbisa ne muba wa first class atenga baba wa buswazi mwana kinuma. I feel these are all our brothers, these are all big platforms. If anyone pushed the other endlessly we could be very far. Nusango oli mwana na jesite ya kuzalawa chokanga tuli baboyi bawano kuchi ku ground but regardless jaga kwebazo mugaga, thank you for believing in talent. Tetugenda kuyiwa ono musajja mumanyi mupambanya abera mu site tavayo ulisawa bambuzi uli watu zeko chi. So if you're on board to make sure it happens mwebale nnyo jaga kwebaza buli omu afisizo obudde to make sure that this goes on as planned. Yeah. Shaya inaka ayagalo tu sulirayo as we wind up, then we sign the contract, we call it a day.
So my message was more positivity, positivity on music too. Beshongoza bariyaha mesi yanje nkurira izuba no kubagira ngo yo siri mweruho ikiriho tekagendaga ikiriho kandi the legend Alfred Bongo Rutaya akaba ari bendera yo kutwegesa again and again kandi tuchafa twarora siri muri tukumira mbazi jitu kandi siri mweruho cyangwa wagitunga tirubanja umbazi guri advanced abamo muri to mbeshongozi akako tukine abamwe tukine chonka wabo kine tukaka kuyaha aha line kandi music abeshongozi na mnonga ba the ghetto fabulous music tubecho kureberaho mubecho kureberaho take music as a job. Music jirebe nko murumo utakakireba nk'ikintu kiri yaho ngako ku planning ochere okore kina neki take music as a job. Music imucyenda kora practice ebirebi ni mwenda kora hits but mukora practice nkani nshanga rubber dub yaba musyo bakana bakora practice every day bine just show on a weekend just a weekly tukore practice kandi tugire consistency mutakije rizo mukatukanga muna ka press conference no press conference. I am sure abantu abantu benda bije bagarike sometime ebimu a promising rizo bakureba ngo bikarabaho kandi bakababuza habwe nkibi yangire kandi mwinekeri izoba. So cyo nikuru. Then lastly ekintu cha copyright tinabona hura na kigambaho ningira hatensero neza mukabe mutunga music omu pieces zanyu za online mureke katambuze munongeji uturabona ka flash kawe no twarwa DJ nanko guno ayitwaye kati music yawe ayino kuza samu ya bakamuronda abanyamahurire bakuteka hariya bakuronde buri kuba kuronda bakasacenga music ya the ghetto fabulous music no ine following no kora sente chonkiwe ko kugenda kaza kutambuza no bano rinka kure message yawe mutunge companies zone za copyright mu supporting na mnonga Uganda Performing Arts Society ya Uganda yihanga kuja mu music yanyu mutunje abakutera music bahechi babahe sente. That's the list but sincerely HIV is there twerinda ko kasiri mukanda bakine tumire mbazi jitu.
Alright, katumaliriza tugenda funa mubaite yo Luganda. I'm aware there's so many Luganda TVs available. Tubadde wano ku mukolo gwa Ghetto Fabulous Music Record Label nga tulaunchinga abayimbi baffe omuli Prince Emma Waloyo, omuli K-Raba, omuli Reina Rosie and of course basainingibwa management je bayita n'abesiga real estate company nga bano baddiringa mu mataka basazeewo ne bagamba katuweeyo mu kisaguno abavubuka abaffe aba Western Uganda kiri erigwa tulaba naawe atatulabye okutegeeza tulaba okitegeera nti tu streaming tuwagire baganda baffe to making Western music a big thing. Tufunye abayimbi banji and I believe tukyasobola ofuna abayimbi abasingako because Western Uganda teriko bayimbi basatu bokka. Tulina abayimbi abasuka ne mu 10 mu 2 mu 3 naye nga betaaga platform betaaga obwagizibo betaaga ka sente betaaga babeererawo no bayirawo omubiri ng'enjogera ya leero. Bampita Mosh to the Mula. Till next time, tugenda bakuba endongo tudropinga akayimba kapya
omuzira
era bebe kulu wenyweze boy wange simayo wachiwatu novera
maybe moshmula kyenyiza okutegeeza abantu bonna abatulaba naddala eggwanga lyonna naye okusinga abantu abava mu bitundu bya Central Uganda nti olwaleero tuli basanyufu nnyo ffe aba The Ghetto Fabulous okufuna omukisa ogw'okufuna omugaga otusayininga so tusuubiza audience eggwanga nti tugenda fulumya oluyimba olunasinga okukuba mu ggwanga ate oluyimba olusinga circumference omuziro gwitu so nsaba mwenna mulunoonye nga tumaze ku dropping out mutuwagire mutuwe support tetugenda abaswaza ate ffe kyatulese oba ekyatuleta mu ndongo ya Western Uganda kwe kumakinga sure nti abantu baba ne awareness nti mu region ene ya Western Uganda waliyo abayimba abalala ng'ogyeko obubondo obutonotono obwateekawo embeera ey'okutukuba enkokola nga tebaagala tuyitewo wabula nga bo bokka beeyisaawo ne kakati engeri gye tufunye omugagga n'abeesigwa tusuubira nti naye agenda ateekawo embeera teri agenda tukuba ebikono olaba mubadde mutukuba ebikono oluusi nga tetulina management naye kakati management wagifunye so tusuubira tujja kuyimbira abantu bonna eggwanga lyonna lisanyuke. Thank you.
Extra but we akagambo kamuggo.
Niwe chona nene anya tusayininga omugiga tekyanga. Abazo mukugamba sana bamuterera kati ngutaka.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to officially collect atulese. Those are part of Jeko chi. Jeko kachokolo.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Naves Goria Estate Company Limited, as the director, Dr. Roshi Asainamani, I want to declare this contract for 2 years for these three individuals, Rina Rose, Prince Emma Waroyo, and Ex-Rubber Material, my friend. I want to declare this contract signed for 2 years, and we shall be coordinating. I want to actually urge you people, you have to be innovative. We are going to sign, yes, but you have to be innovative. We bring things on table, you bring and we support.
Yeah.
Yes. We are not going to be looking out for you that you do this and we support. No, bring things on table, be innovative, and we shall be there for you. Thank you very much. I want to thank the media personalities for everything. Thanks for being here for the Ghetto Fabulous Music, and we are so much grateful for what is happening, especially in this upcoming music from from such a youth. We are so much grateful, and we shall be supporting.
All right. Ha banange. Kamote
kaleke.
Naye wandi sayinize ngo jeke chiwani. Ex-Rubber Material. Sign and stamp. Ngati fune chifananyi banange ngati Dr. Shai fena tuberewo chifananyi kino ngabajiriza babaddewo wani awo wenyini awo
chifananyi kya frame wali mu office
yeah
chifananyi kya frame wali mu office